Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5124P. It's a 2018 Ford Transit cargo van, 165 for K. Nice, clean, well outfitted van. This one does have the barn doors on the side, which you don't see quite as often. This one's very nicely equipped as well with Adrian steel gear. So it's got some individual little pull-out parts bins and stuff up front, as well as shelving on top and bottom. And then in the back, there's again shelving on the top, and then there's some open storage there for pull-out trays or whatever you might have for parts or tools, that type of thing. Up top, there's also a dual ladder rack, which hydraulically assists on both passenger and driver side. Coming around the back, we've got a backup camera. There's also a conduit carrier mounted up top as well. This one's got some tank storage here for plumbing and heating, and again some more shelving there on the passenger side. This van is definitely nicely equipped for plumbing and heating companies, but can also work for electrical contractors as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. There's also a little center console there with a clipboard attachment. And a really nicely outfitted cargo van, ready to go to work. And if you're looking for something nice and clean, low mile like this for your plumbing and heating company, give us a shout. Again, stock number 5124P, 2018 Ford Transit cargo van.